Hey everyone, if you have incorporated a business in Canada, you already know the paperwork never really stops. But here is the thing nobody talks about. How to get certificate of compliance for your incorporation. I have organized everything you might need as a business owner. And here are the video title. You'll find this series on link in the description.
This is the link to the website. This link will be there in the description, or you can search by coming to Corporation Canada online filing center, and here you can see all the services, how much it cost. In some cases there are charges, and in some cases they are free. Once you click on sign in, come to this page. Here you see, to access the service you must sign in or create an account using one of the following option. One is GCKey, and this will allow you to conduct online business with various government program and services. The other one is sign in partner, where you access government service using your online bank or participating sign in partner with Interact. Here I will be going with GCKey, and I have made a video on how to do the sign up for the first time. In case you are not able to do this, you can go and check that out. Once you click on GCKey, if you're doing for the first time, this is where you will come and sign up and enable the service. That I have the username and password, I'm entering that, and then sign in. You come to this page and click continue. Now that you are here back in the page and you have logged in, you will be able to see everything just like before, but this is on your logged in page. To order certificate of compliance, it will cost $10, and here click on this get a certificate of compliance. Here you will search with either corporate name, corporation number or business number, and once you do the search you will be shown the details here, and once that is done, click next. First step is the confirmation about the corporation, where corporation name and number is shown, and once you come down, click next. Second step is to enter contact information. Check the first name, last name, telephone, email, and in case there are any additional email where you want this, that can also be added here. Once that is done, click next. Third step is to proceed to payment, and here just remember that you will have 15-minute window to complete your payment, and Mastercard debit, Visa, Visit debit card, American Express, all of these are available for use. So whichever is your credit card, you can choose that. Let me come down. Here you see $10, and then click on proceed to payment. Once you click here, it says you will not be able to change your request once you continue beyond the screen. If you close the payment page, you will have to contact us to retrieve your request. This will cause lengthy delay. Are you ready to pay for your request? Here, once you say yes and then go ahead with the credit card detail, you will get the certificate of compliance within no time. I am cancelling and I am saying no here.